Okay, hello and welcome to this session. My name is Luther Manotti, taking computer studies at Kenya School of TVET. So, our discussion today is about problem solving chat. So, for the interest of time, we go direct to the problem solving chat. First, we have to define our problem. So, as I've done, I've defined my problem. At our workplace, the problem was that we were unable to complete our projects within a set timeline, and this led to negative impact on team performance and stress to team members. Also, when you are unable to complete your projects within a set timeline, you find that quality will also be compromised. So we are seeking to have solutions. And when for a problem solving chat, you need to have multiple solutions. For us, we are going to have four possible solutions to our problem, which is being unable to complete our project within a set timeline. So first, we are going to start with our first solution. What's our first solution? Our first solution is number one is maybe we divide the tasks into smaller. We divide the project into smaller tasks. These are the smaller tasks are able to be managed, and you are able to work one by one. This will enable you to be able to complete that project when you are working with smaller projects that are manageable, rather than doing the project as a whole. So you have to divide that project into smaller tasks. What is the second solution? Maybe we create a schedule. What's a schedule? A schedule is like a timetable. You allocate time for the task to be completed. You know when and how to complete those tasks within a given timeline. And what is our fourth? Our fourth is our third one. Our third solution is to delegate. Yes, delegate tasks. Yes, if you are having a whole project, you can break. After we said that you break the project into smaller tasks, what you can do next is to delegate those tasks to your team members, right? This one will enable each and every member to work on his own. While you have a team leader who is keep on checking, they will work. Then you will combine that work together. The last but not least is eliminate. Eliminate non-essential. Eliminate non-essential tasks. You may find within your project you have after you have broken down your tasks, you may find that some tasks are they are just time consuming. What you can do is just do away with them, those tasks, so that you work on the important part of the project. So what next? We are going to the potential advantages of these solutions. We go to the first solution that we had is divide the project into smaller tasks. So what are the potential advantages of dividing the project into smaller tasks? Number one, this one it helps this one helps it helps to reduce the workload. It helps to easier it helps to easily track the progress. Yes, when you have divided the project into smaller tasks, it helps one to easily track the progress, and also it reduces, it helps to reduce overwhelming. That is, you find that you are overwhelmed by the project, but when you are dividing it into smaller tasks, it helps you to not be overwhelmed by the whole project, but the smaller tasks that will help you achieve your whole project. The next one is creating a schedule. We Next one is creating a schedule. What's the importance of creating a schedule? The importance of creating a schedule, it helps in time management. You are able to work on important things so that you cannot be easily distracted. The potential advantage of delegating tasks is it reduces workload so that you maximize on the team user strengths. It helps in maximizing the team members strengths, right? Yes, this means that once you allocate team members areas where their strength lies, you are able to maximize on their strength so that you're able to achieve your project. What's the potential advantage of eliminating non-essential tasks? This one, it helps create time for important tasks. Helps create time for important tasks. Right. So we go direct to the potential disadvantages. Number one, the potential disadvantage of dividing the project into small tasks is it may require much of it may require a lot of time to keep monitoring and keep monitoring and keeping track of the progress. What the potential advantages of creating a schedule? This one, it requires a lot of discipline. If you are not disciplined, it requires a lot of discipline to stick to a schedule. So if you are not disciplined, you may not as well stick. You may not be able to stick to the schedule, and in the end, you may not be able to accomplish your project. Delegating tasks. What's the potential advantage of delegating tasks? Here, quality may be compromised. Quality may be compromised because somebody is working on a certain task, so you have not even gone through that task as a team to agree on basics, so quality may be compromised. Then What is a potential disadvantage of eliminating an unessential task? Uh, when you eliminate non-essential tasks, you risk missing out on extra opportunities. You may think that you have eliminated non-essential tasks, but in the end, you risk you missing on extra opportunities. I mean, that part may be may have been a good part for having another extra opportunity. Then we have potential consequences. Potential consequences. What's the consequence for dividing the project into smaller tasks? This one, the potential consequence is that here it increases productivity. Here, when you stick to a schedule, what is the consequences? You see, the consequences are not negative. They are positive. So when you create a schedule, the potential consequence is that you have higher task completion rate. You are able to complete your tasks very fast. So you have maybe you can have extra time for auditing the project to know whether you have done what is required. And then we have potential consequences of delegating tasks. And so this one helps in faster completion of the project. Faster completion of the project. What's the potential consequence of eliminating unessential tasks? Here, it increases focus on key areas of the project. Now, we have a column for the best alternative solution among the four that we have come up with. The best alternative for me, I will go to, if you are working as a team, I will choose that you create a schedule. The reason why I'm going for creating a schedule is that maybe that project you are working alone, and in that project also maybe you are in a group. Still, this one is the best solution because reasons we are going to do them down here. Reasons for creating a schedule, for choosing create a schedule. Number one, it let me do the handline and this one. So it eliminates poor time management in that you are able to accomplish your tasks within a set time. It also it also also let me undo the underline and the bold. It assists in keeping focus on the project. So that you are not having last minute trash that will compromise quality. So these are the two reasons. It eliminates poor time management. Also, it assists in keeping focus on the project so that you are not having a last minute rush that will compromise quality of the project. Okay, this is the end of our problem solving chart. We have just developed it, and so I'm going to share the document. I'm going to share the video and the document in ePortfolio. Thank you.